Hi, I'm Elway.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Welcome to Elway's Kitchen.
What are we going to be making today, Elway?
We're going to make Hawaiian sweet pancakes.
That sounds delicious. Stay tuned.
So, we're going to need cooking spray, 1 tablespoon,
Yeah.
1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar.
We're also going to need a mixing bowl, some sort of a spoon to mix it. We're going to need a pancake mix, and our particular pancake mix does not require eggs or milk, it just requires water. If you have a pancake mix that needs eggs, you'll need whatever it calls for eggs. We have about 2 cups of pancake mix, and we have some water here. And the amount of water is not really important, we just need water. But, you know, Ella, this sounds like just regular pancake mix. What makes these Hawaiian sweet pancakes?
We have our secret ingredient and pineapple juice to make it.
Oh. You'll notice we did not actually use any of this water, and that is fine. What we're looking for is a fairly kind of runny consistency, so give us nice thin pancakes. If you like your pancakes thicker, you could add a little more pancake mix, or if you like them to be thinner pancakes, you could add a little bit more water to them. In our case today, we just did not need any more water.
So first thing, just spraying the griddle with cooking spray. And then he's pouring in a pancake mix. Here's a fun tip too. So make small ones and to take with you in cars for snacks. So when you can get a spatula underneath them, it's time to flip. When the pancakes are golden brown on each side, it's time to put them on the plate. This is delicious.
It sure is.
Stay tuned until next time, where we're going to be making French toast with a special guest, Gloria.
And since next time will be Mother's Day, this is probably a really good Mother's Day breakfast to make for your mothers.